Hey everyone, good morning. It is Saturday morning of a long weekend. In this video, I am going to be covering the topic of if you ever wondered, should you run when you're in pain? I am Dr. Duane Scotty. I'm a physical therapist with Spark Physical Therapy, where we help runners stay on the pavement, doing what they love, hitting PRs, running happy and healthy. So I wanted to come on today just to talk to you about this topic because it actually came up for me this morning. So unfortunately, during my workout this week on Wednesday, I had the classic episode of a back going out where I simply bent over to pick up the handle at the cable column, and it was the straw that broke the camel's back. Literally, I couldn't move. I hopped down on the floor. I tried to get into positions of comfort, and I was really trying to ease the pain, and I was hoping that this did not come into the episode that I had at the end of last summer. So at the end of last summer, August, September, I really had kind of a really big flare up of back pain. I was locked up for a couple weeks. I got some good treatment, but it did take a good 3 to 4 weeks. I actually missed running the Surftown half marathon that I signed up for, that I was really pumped to run in Westerly, Rhode Island. So, of course, I started to think about catastrophizing thoughts in my mind, because next week is the Fairfield half marathon that I've been working for to train for. So Wednesday, I woke up on Thursday. I was really stiff, in a lot of pain. I thought to myself, should I go out there and run? Maybe I might feel a little bit looser, and it might kind of loosen me up a little bit. I was smart that I did not run that day, because I shouldn't have. Right? My pain levels were a little too high. I really couldn't move at all. And the running really would not have been the best thing during that acute phase the day after I had the onset of pain. So luckily, one of my colleagues, shout out to Jay Meyerson, was able to do some dry needling for me and some spinal manipulation treatment. I was able to move about 50% better. I had about 50% pain relief right after just that one day, as well as me doing my specific exercises. So kind of muscle activation things, stretches into positions of relief. And that's what I did. I kept moving. And Friday, I did get up for did a 3-mile run, nice and easy. I took kind of easy pace, and kind of going back and looking, I was kind of upset because I did have a planned hard run workout Thursday morning. I was doing some speed work. This was like the last really hard one, long speed work before the half training. And so I was really bummed out. Obviously, I couldn't do that, but I kind of played it smart, because if I did do that, I wouldn't have recovered to where I have at this point. So yesterday, I was able to get in a nice easy run and was able to do a modified workout. So kind of nothing that increased pain. And this morning, I was thinking about, this was my last long run in my training cycle. So I was running 12 today. I had that planned. I ran 12 last week. And I was, wondering, should I go out there and run 12? Should I do 10? Should I just go for an easy run and maybe do like 12 tomorrow? So all those thoughts were going in my mind. Thank you for those that are jumping on here on the live. If anyone's ever been in this situation, just type in me in the comment box, because I think this is probably a situation many runners have faced. So I figured it would be helpful if I talked about it today on the live. So I did just finish 12 miles. I'm happy to report that I did get through that without an increase in back pain. I had a low level of back pain, about 2 out of 10 scale, really localized to my left side. But I really woke up this morning. I did some good muscle activation stuff, loosened up my hips. I really kind of turned on all my hip stabilizer muscles before I went out on the run to kind of protect my spine. So that was definitely helpful. And I'm happy that I got the 12 miles in. Now I can really officially start the weekend. I love getting my long runs in Saturday morning and then feeling kind of somewhat accomplished and ready to kind of attack the weekend. This weekend got a lot of yard work planned for those of you that are getting out there in the yard. It looks like it's gonna be beautiful weather, so got to go pick up the mulch. So I'm gonna have to really watch myself with a lot of the lifting and bending. So with this back episode, I don't want to go out there and do too much, because then I don't want to be where I was last Wednesday. So if you are a runner in the Cheshire-Wallingford area and this has ever kind of popped into your mind and you've been in that situation where you're wondering, should you run, or you're just really looking for some guidance on you're having pain and you're continuing to run through pain, I will be able to help you with that. So I help runners around this area be able to run and do the workouts that they love without pain, rest, or stopping the activities that they love to do, such as running. So I would love to work with you. You can visit and find out all information at sparkyourtraining.com. and that will give you all the necessary information. If any of this information, kind of my little story here, sharing that was helpful for you, just type in helpful into the comment box, and then it kind of helps me know what you guys want to hear. And if you are also a healthy runner in Connecticut, I did just start a new Facebook group that I would love to get a community of us runners together to be able to share our stories, share our trials, our tribulations, so we can all learn from each other to kind of recover from injuries and to stay healthy so we don't get injured. So if you want to be a part of this group, just type in Facebook, search Healthy Runner CT, and click to join the group. I just have a couple questions there, just mainly to prevent any people from just kind of finding the group and just spamming the group. I just want to make sure that you are a runner and that your interests are aligned with my interest and a lot of the runners that I help. All right, I hope everyone has an awesome weekend. Happy Memorial Day to everyone, as we remember those who served and those who have fallen. I hope everyone enjoys some time with their family, and I will talk to you next week. Bye.